let me quickly read out some of the features of this box. So this is the SuperBox S5 Pro. It's a premium edition of the SuperBox fully loaded IPTV boxes. Features stable streaming performance and ease of use, making it to be the best cord cutter on the market. The SuperBox S5 Pro comes with an upgraded voice command feature. You're able to search specific TV channels, movies and TV shows directly. Greatly improves user experience, especially for young and old people. What are they trying to say? Compared to the S4 Pro, the SuperBox S5 Pro brings Android 12, 4GB of RAM, 32GB of storage and 1000 megabits of Ethernet ports. And also it has Wi-Fi 6 and an upgraded voice control system. I just wanted to get that off of my chest. So yeah, 1000 megabytes Ethernet or 1 gig, Wi-Fi 6, 4 gigs plus 32 gigs of storage, supports 6K, dual Wi-Fi, H.265. Let's get it open, shall we? Let's see what you actually get for your money. I nearly said honey, but I didn't. But I might do. Also comes in a nice little box. SuperBox Smart Media Player. Now this is designed for, I believe, the American market. So we'll have a 2-pin plug, not a 4-pin plug. Oh, quite big actually. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but sizes and everything. Have a quick look. It's not how big it is, it's what's inside. So SuperBox 4, it's already got aerials attached to it, which is handy because you haven't got to attach them. So on the back we have power connection. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a IR sensor, I believe. Trying to figure out what that one is. AV, oh right, AV, so like headset or something like that. HDMI, Ethernet connection, digital audio out. Some rubber feet on the bottom. Air vent on the bottom as well, some air vents on the side, and I do believe that's, you know, metal or plasticky metal. A display that will show you the time of day, the logo on the front, and on the back we have a TF card reader, USB 3.0, looking at that, USB 2, and I think that's a reset button. Yeah, reset button. And that's it. So we need to connect it up. Oh, actually, before we connect it up, let's see what else you get in the box. So your 2-pin connection. It comes with one remote control. Not sure if it's got batteries. I would have thought not. But remote control. There's your voice activation if you need to talk to it. These buttons up here are for setting it up to your monitor or your TV to control that. We won't be setting that up. It will have instructions down there. Programming function instructions, see? You need to read that if you need to know how to set that up. I'm not going to do a video on that. I'm sorry, but I'm not. And I do believe it will be AAA's. And it's AAA's. Yep, AAA's. So AAA batteries, you need 2 of them. Like I say, I don't think it comes with it. Quite a nice remote actually, SuperBox. It's got a nice feel to it. Nice tactile feel. Yeah, very good. On-off button, mute button. It's got basically everything you need. Looking at that. HDMI connection. I might use that, I might not. And instructions. User guide. What else? Anything else? So that is everything you get in the box. So let's set it up, shall we? We have Ethernet, HDMI connection, and power. I'm not doing the Wi-Fi part of it. Plug that in. Should take a couple of seconds. That comes on, and that's really fast. Wasn't expecting it to be that quick. Make sure you read the disclaimer as well. Oh, that was really easy. Right, so we have live TV, VOD, playback, browser. App Store and apps. Let me quickly explain to you how to set this up, in case you've never done it before, and it's quite easy. So, if you're using Ethernet, it's even quicker, but if you want to use Wi-Fi, you will have to go into the settings and find your Wi-Fi and put in your password and all that sort of caper. And then once you've done that, you go back to the home page and you go to the one that's called the App Store. You click on that, and inside there is one called the App Store. And it's not the Android App Store, it's their own App Store. So you go to their App Store, and there will be a disclaimer, so make sure you read the disclaimer, and there will be a load of programs on there. Now, should you wish to download any of the apps, I would recommend you went to the App Store, the Google App Store, for your own safety. All you need to do is log in, choose what apps you wish to download, and download it from there. Say, for instance, you want to watch your favourite channel. Say, for instance, BBC One. Do it from Google. It's a lot safer. Or say, for instance, in this country, I'm only, giving you an idea. Say, for instance, ITV or Channel 4, something like that. Or even Sky or Virgin. Do it from the App Store, the Google App Store. It's a lot safer, okay? That's my personal opinion and my recommendation. I can't tell you to download from the other store because I don't know how safe it is. It is down to you to do your due diligence on what you download from there, okay? So be careful. You've been warned. Now, the thing I like about this TV box and a lot of the other TV boxes is their capabilities. Not only can it do Wi-Fi rather than straight from a network connection, they can do wireless connection and it's quite fast, but also you can use this as a complete media centre, not just for watching TV programmes or for watching films or anything like that. You can actually play games on it, and I have been trying it out. And they are quite smooth. I've had no issues with juddering or anything like that, or slowing down or overheating. I've had none of that, and I played a few games on this, and it just works extremely well. I am very impressed. Like I said, it is not just for watching TV, films, TV programs, your favourite sports channel, your favourite news channel. But it's ideal for gaming as well. If you're interested in playing Android games, this could be the baby for you. But something to bear in mind, if you want to play Android games, like driving games, you will need one of these, a controller, which I actually bought. Yeah, it cost me about £20. Comes with a little USB stick to make the connection, and it works extremely well. Yeah, love it. This one is a little bit on the clicky side. Yeah, unless you use that pad. Yeah, and it's very quiet. But yeah, like I said, I've been playing about with it. Love the actual setup. Love the fact you can put your own media on there because it has USB. It has a TF card reader as well. So anything on your TF card, say for instance, you want your family photos, plug it in there, download it onto the box. It's a complete media centre, like I said earlier. So, as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to buy one of these, or just in case you want to go and have a look at one of these and see whether or not it's worth the money. So, with that, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you found any of this informative and helpful and you have a comment or you need to ask me a question, place it in the comment section and I will try and answer it for you. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell to get notified. Thank you very much for watching.